How you doing? Can I have your number?
No, I'm married.
Oh, yeah?
Oh, you're just my boyfriend.
Oh, yeah. I've been demoted, y'all. Can I come over tonight? Can I come over to your house? Can I live with you?
Yeah.
I can live with you? Okay, good. Thanks.
Why? Why? Is it usable as just a prop?
I don't know.
It's probably just a prop. There's no way. There's no way that's even allowed.
Yeah, it's illegal to have it over a certain height, like over 3 feet taller than the normal or something.
For real?
That's definitely 3 feet taller than the normal.
So for the past few hours, we've just been cleaning the entire house. And thanks to George, we got it all done.
Yes.
And I was also able to clean all of my brushes. But right now we are on our way to Wendy's and Taco Bell. We're just gonna do both. Because I can't decide. I can't decide on either. I want the spicy chicken nuggets, but I also want a chicken quesadilla. Good morning. I'm on my way to do this one little pesky errand that I have to run this morning, and then I'm gonna head to the gym for my workout. Last night I actually was running a fever out of nowhere, and I woke up drenched in sweat this morning. So I woke up a little bit later than usual. So yeah, I'm ready to get my day started finally. I feel like it's been a long morning. Oh shoot, forgot my wallet. I need to go get that. So let's go get my wallet and let's go. We got it. Okay, so I am out of the gym. Now it's time to go home and have some breakfast. It is already 12 p.m., which is so crazy. I actually went and wasted my time today because it's Columbus Day, and the lady told me to come back today and they're closed. Sorry guys, I'm driving. So I went all the way over there for nothing, and then I had to sit in traffic. It was a freaking nightmare.
We're watching Hell's Kitchen. Oh, I forgot to set the mood. Let me set the mood. Wow. Wow. Yeah. Put some Hocus Pocus on. And we can watch some Hocus Pocus. Because what do you do when you're watching Hocus Pocus? You watch it. Look.
Chris? Yes. That's the right choice. I agree with that 110%.
I feel I'm a team player. I put the team.
And then for later. Oh, brownies. Yes.
That is what my heart says. That's what my heart says. I wanna be with you always. You are my world in every place. It's the things that you do, and it's the smile on your face. And as time goes by, that is what my heart says. That's what my heart says. I wanna be with you always. Always, yeah. You are my world in every place. Oh, it's the things that you do. It's the things you do, baby. It's the
We took Amalia after we did her makeup and everything, made her look nice and princessy. We took her to homecoming, right? Homecoming dance, whatever party. And then we picked her up and then we went to Whataburger and ate. We went home very, very late last night. I'm gonna end the vlog here because it is Sunday. Oh, so I hope you like this video and give it a thumbs up and we'll see you on the next one. Peace.